Hey guys, welcome back to our lifestyle. I know I haven't made a video in quite a long time, but I'm back and I just wanted to share this chicken taco recipe with you. And I'm going to make both the soft tacos and the crunchy corn ones. So right now I'm finishing up browning up my meat. And if you guys are new, any of you are new to my channel, welcome. And those of you that are not, welcome back. And I just wanted to share this very quick recipe, nice and fast. You have dinner on your table quickly. Okay, no bones about it. Now, I'm going to just pour, this is already browned, so I'm going to pour it in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of taco, what is this called? The salsa. Okay. The taco salsa in there. I like to cook with it too, so I'm just going to add a little bit. Okay, and this is a little bit left from the previous time I made tacos. So there you go. It's not much, maybe about a quarter of a cup. Okay, then I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning. I'm going to add powdered garlic, powdered onion. It already had the taco spice in it, the taco seasoning. It already had that in there. But I like to add a little bit more seasonings in there. So I'm going to add a little bit of the garlic powder. And I'm going to add a little bit of the onion powder. Okay. I'm also going to add, if I find it, a little bit of oregano. Okay, just let that cook in there. Alright. I'm going to add a little bit more of the taco seasoning. Don't like to use the whole envelope because of the salt content, but I do like the flavor, so I add a little bit of that at least. Okay, then I'm going to add about a half a cup of water, cold water. Well, this is a lot of meat, so I think I'll add about 3/4 of a cup. Okay, we're going to let that come back up to boiling. Then I'm going to put the heat down and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And then we can start assembling our tacos. Now our tacos are going to have sour cream, shredded cheese. What else? The salsa, I have more salsa from the kit. It's a taco kit that I'm making. Shredded cheese. My tacos, I like to add extra things. You know, like cucumber and stuff like that. Well, I don't have cucumbers today, but I will be adding olives to mine. And we have some chopped up onions right here that I'm going to be adding to that too, to the tacos. Okay. All right. Now after this finishes simmering for about 10 minutes, we'll be back and we'll assemble everything. Okay guys, we're back. I can't see the recording, the timer, but hopefully we are recording. All right, so the meat is done. Okay, that's what that looks like. And again, I'm using a taco dinner kit. Okay, and it comes with the 6 soft shells, 6 hard shells, the sauce, the seasoning. So it has everything you need in there. Okay, so we're going to start assembling. We're going to assemble the hard ones first. And I crushed one, opening it up. So I'm just going to put it off to the side. Put it right there. Hopefully you only crushed, I crushed another one. Okay, here's one. Here's one not crushed. Woohoo! All right. Okay, so we're going to start, let's turn this off. Again, these are chicken tenders that I cut up into small pieces. I sliced them up into small pieces. Season them with taco mix, the taco seasoning mix, some onion and garlic, green pepper, and that's it. And add a little bit of the salsa sauce. Ouch, it's really hot. Okay, that's one. So I'm gonna assemble 2 hard and 2 soft shells. Okay, there we go. Okay. And then you have to heat up the soft ones. So they're already heated up. Ooh, they're hot. Ooh-wee. All right, let's move this a little bit. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, so we're gonna put them side by side. All right. Okay, we're gonna add meat into these also. Okay, guys, so let me know in the comments how you like your tacos. You know, I also make the ground meat ones. If you like ground meat, let me know and let me know how you make them. And if you add any special seasonings or toppings, any, you know, other toppings that you like, non-traditional. Because, you know, of course, when you're making this, you're making it to your taste. You know, it doesn't have to be traditional. It has to be the way that you like it, the way that your family likes it. That's all that matters. Okay, and I'm glad you guys came and visited with me again. I know I haven't been around for a while, busy with life, but I said, well, this is part of my life too. Let me come back to it because I do miss you guys. All right, so now we're gonna add tomatoes in each one, and of course my hands are clean. Okay, what you need is clean hands. You don't need to use your utensils. These are utensils anyway, by the way, but whatever makes you feel comfortable. Okay, a little bit of sour cream in each one. And normally I like to put the sour cream in a piping bag, but right now I'm in a rush, you know, just to make it easier, so that's fine. Okay, and the shredded cheese. Okay, hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. Got the tomato, shredded cheese, sour cream. Oh, the salsa. Woohoo, almost forgot it. Put some salsa in here. I hope this is mild because I really didn't check. You know that some kits come with a more hot, spicier. Let's see, it doesn't say. Hopefully it's mild. Oh well, I guess we'll find out. And then, of course, a little bit of cheese on top. And you're going to use the kind of cheese that you like. Cheddar, mild cheddar, sharp cheddar. You know, we also have, this one is a mac and cheese blend. I love it. So, it doesn't have to be traditional. Just has to be what you like. Alright. Okay, guys, and there you go. Look how pretty that looks. 2 soft shells, 2 hard shells. Okay. Alright. And I'm glad you came back and visited with me. I hope you give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. And I just, most importantly, I hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, and I hope you visit with me again next time in my next video. Alright, and I promise it won't take me that long to make another one. But like I said, I was a little bit busy with life. And hey, but I came back. Bye-bye.